Today I'm going to tell you what are the must bring things to the USA for men. Be it you are coming here for your job or you are a student and you are relocating to the USA, this video will cover everything that you need to pack in your suitcase. So before I begin, it's my request that please subscribe to my channel by pressing that subscribe button down there so that you get all the notification every week as I post a video. For the products that I have told you in this video, I'll put a link in the description box below so that it becomes easier for you to, buy these products from one place. I have also posted a video on what are the kitchen essentials you can bring from India to the USA. If you are interested to watch this, it will be linked in the description box as well as on the screen. You can watch it there. So first of all, your packing will depend upon in which time of the year you are traveling from India to USA. If you are traveling during the summer months, which is mostly like May, June, July and August, then only one simple winter cloth will be fine to be packed. Like that is in case some days are very cold, then you can use it. Otherwise, if you are coming between, like for example, January, February, March, April also it is cold here, and later in the year it is starting from September, October, November and December. These are the coldest month. So if you are coming at that time, you should go to your nearby store. I went to Pantaloons and asked like, do you have a jacket for 0 degree? Like people go to Kashmir, people go to Leh Ladakh. What kind of dress do they wear? So they suggested me a jacket which is from Monte Carlo, and they said that this is the one, like puffer jackets which has a, like I will share a picture somewhere on the screen. So this puffer jacket I bought from India and it served my purpose over here really well. So I spent 1 year with this jacket, and later now I have bought another one, but this is my main jacket which I always wear here. So only one jacket you should bring from there, because these are bulky things, right? You cannot pack a lot of them, and specifically the jackets which you buy from India does not work so much well over here because the weather goes below like -15 to 20 degrees over here in the USA. Depending upon which part you are living. For men, it is very important that you pack your formal wear, because I haven't seen much options for formal wear when it comes to men, especially in the affordable section. So in India, the quality and the price that you get, you have to pay a lot more over here to match that same quality of clothes that you get over there in India. So cotton clothes are very rare in the USA. Cotton is actually rare, and you have to pay a hefty amount of money to buy cotton clothes. So in case you are into cotton clothes and you have a comfort level with cotton shirts and pants and formals, so make sure you make the purchases from India and pack these well in your bag. Also make sure to pack at least 1 or 2 blazers, because in USA the office goers, or I think even it is prevalent for those who go to college, that they wear blazers sometime during the winter. So these things must be brought from there, because I think blazers are mostly custom made. So make sure you get 1 or 2 of those custom made blazers for you from India. Along with formal clothes, formal shoes are also important. So make sure you pack a pair of formal shoe from India. Here all the time you will be traveling in a car, so that one pair of formal shoe will go a long way. And over here in the USA, you can buy a formal shoe for nothing less than $60 to $70 US. So I think it's a good option to buy at least 1 pair of formal shoes from India. Now coming to shirts and t-shirts, here the sizes are really huge. Like if you wear a XL size in India, you will have to get M or L size, maximum L size in the US. And especially if you are a short heighted person, then no matter you buy L in place of XL, the length will be too long. So if you really want to buy some t-shirts from India, you can actually do that, and I guarantee you that the quality and the material, everything, and the price of course will be unmatched by what you get over here in the USA. And price wise also, it is literally very costly in USA. So if you want to pack at least 4 to 5 good t-shirts or shirts, like which is informal, you can wear it in an informal or semi-formal setting. You can bring those things along with you. Next, coming to briefs and vest, of course you must pack all these things. Like what I did for my husband is that I packed like 5 set of briefs and vest for him, and 10 set of socks, along with that cotton socks, so that he can use it every day for his office. So these are the most essential things you should pack. Okay, alongside there are many Indian traditional gatherings which happen here, like pujas and all, Durga Puja and whatever, Garba and all these things. So if you have some special choices for your traditional wear, definitely pack that. So get at least 1 or 2 set of traditional wear for yourself, and also matching pair of traditional shoes. That is also important, because you won't get a traditional footwear over here in the USA, so you have to pack that. Again, if we talk about footwear, you can buy those sport shoes and all those fun things at a very cheaper price. That is fine, sandals and shoes and everything. But when it comes to formal shoes and traditional shoes, that won't be available very wide. And lastly, which I think is very important, that if you are somebody who wear glasses on a regular basis, a power glass, then make sure you get at least 2 pair of power glass along with a sunglass, because when you drive over here in the USA, you have to wear a sunglass. The sun glares so much on your eyes that you cannot drive without wearing a sunglass. So bringing a sunglass and 2 pair of power glasses is a must. If you are still in a doubt that what to pack and what not to pack for your relocation to the USA, then let me know in the comments below. I'll be really happy to help you. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.